Did you know your brain is constantly ignoring almost everything around you right now? It's called the cocktail party effect. Back in 1953, a scientist named Colin Cherry discovered something wild. He played people two different conversations at once, one in each ear. People could perfectly follow the conversation they were told to focus on. But here's the crazy part. They completely missed when the other conversation switched to a different language entirely. Your brain is like a bouncer at a club. It decides what gets in and what gets blocked. That's why you suddenly hear your name across a crowded room, or why you see your car modeled everywhere after buying it, or why pregnant people notice baby announcements constantly. Your brain wasn't paying attention to those things before, but now they matter to you, so they get through the filter. This happens with ideas too. Once you believe something, you literally stop processing information that contradicts it. If you want to think clearly, you have to actively fight your own attention system. Look for what you're not seeing.